Hello friends, welcome back to our CCNA 200-301 series. Today is day 50, that is video number 50. In video 50 we are going to discuss about EtherChannel, what are the commands we are going to use and what are the types we have. We are going to discuss this one. But before going that one, let me show you some example. See here, if we consider we have two switch, let me take, I have one switch here, this is switch A, I have another switch is connected to switch B, okay, and I have computer connected here to this switch, example this switch like this, and I have computer connected to this switch like this. So this speed of this link is let us consider 100 Mbps or 100 Mbps, and here also 100 Mbps, or we can take 1000 Mbps. Here is 1000, here is 1000, but in between the switch is only 100 Mbps. So the PCs, this is PCs are sending the traffic very fast compared to the link between the switch. We have one link here. So what maybe the traffic go down here in between this switch. If we have more speed, maybe the switch will not capable to transfer the all traffic, it will go slowly, or some packets will go down because it is coming very high speed. To overcome this one, generally we say okay, connect more link, so we will have traffic load balancing like this. But you know, if we connect more link in switch, it will block automatically. We know that from spanning tree we learn already that one. Let me show you, let me connect and show you. I will take two switch. Actually this EtherChannel we can do in layer 2 or layer 3 switch. Now we are doing it for layer 2. So what I taken two switch. See here, I will give theory also, don't worry, we will discuss theory also. Just I am showing you to have the idea. If I connect this switch to this switch, okay, and if I connect one more link here, if you see, after few seconds we will have some green and some orange, as we learn in EtherChannel. Let me zoom in this one, as we already discussed about the STP. So if you see here, after few seconds one port is disabled. If you see here, one port is disabled. If I add more links also, let me add more, I added 3, so let me add one more. So now if you see, we have 4 link, we have 4 link in the switch. This is switch 0, this is switch 1. I connected 4 links, but if you see here, only 3 links are only 1 link are okay, other links are orange and it is block. Okay, let me do fast forward. See here, here all are green, but here only one are green, other are orange color, that is not working, disabled temporary because of STP. So what STP is doing, STP is blocking the link, it is allowing only one link, so traffic will go from one link only. Other link as a redundance, whenever we have any issue with this link, traffic will use this link, as we know this from STP. In our previous video we discussed this one. But now here, if I want to increase the speed, I connected 4 links, but only one is working, other link is not working. To overcome with this type of issue, we use EtherChannel. EtherChannel, what he will do, he will make this all 4 links, he will make all this 4 link in one logical link. So spanning tree and this switch will be treating all this link as a one link, that is one logical link, and all traffic will go, and there will be more speed. If we if we consider like this, one link is 100 Mbps. If we take like this one link is 100 Mbps, so it will multiply with 4 links. If I have 4 links, so total speed will be, we will have 400 Mbps. So we will have more speed by using EtherChannel. So let me, this is a just example. Now we are going to discuss what is EtherChannel and how we are going to discuss and all this one. See here, what is EtherChannel? EtherChannel, it is also known as link aggregation. EtherChannel, in CISCO language we call EtherChannel, but in open standard we are saying link aggregation. Both are same. Adding or making many link into one link is known as EtherChannel. In simple words, you can say many to one is known as, converting many link into one link is known as EtherChannel, something like this in simple words. See here, EtherChannel is a technology which allow you to make multiple physical interface into single logical interface. This is technically a technical sentence. You can say like this in your interview. It is a technology which allow us to make multiple interface into a single logical interface. So STP will not block multiple link. EtherChannel increase the bandwidth, as I am saying the 400 Mbps. Same thing here we are discussing. EtherChannel increase the bandwidth and provide the redundancy by aggregating the individual link of the switch. Means what is redundancy? How I am saying, see, this is one switch, another switch. I have 4 link connected like this. So if EtherChannel is working, so all are treating as a one link. But if this link go down, even though EtherChannel will work. If this link go down, even though EtherChannel will work, these two will treat as one. If this one also go down, it will work till we have all linked on. So that we are saying it will provide the redundancy and by aggregating individual link to switch. And EtherChannel load balancing traffic over all the link, because we are having 4 links and traffic is going with all. So that's why we are saying load balancing. It can be configured in layer 2 or layer 3 switch. We can do in layer 2 also, in layer 3 also, but in this video we are going to do for layer 2. For layer 3 same procedure, you can do, no problem for that one. If you have any confusion for layer 3, put in the comments, so I will prepare a video for layer 3 also. Okay, so now see here, EtherChannel can be configured between switch by using 2 protocol. We will use 2 protocol to configure the EtherChannel. We have 2 protocol, that is PAgP and another is the LACP. What is PAgP? Port Aggregation Protocol. It is CISCO protocol. CISCO discover this protocol. CISCO proprietary, this will work in only CISCO device. Whereas LACP, that is Link Aggregation Protocol, it is a standard, open standard. It will work in any vendor protocol. It will work in any vendor device. Okay. So if we want to configure EtherChannel, we need to make sure all the ports is having the same specification. Like I have 2 switch. If I want to connect this port, example, I am treating this 4 port. Okay. So this port, this port, this port, this port, as well as this port should have same speed. If we have different speed, we have issue. It will be not become as a one. We should have duplex will be same. If they are using half duplex, both should be in half duplex. If they are using full duplex, both should be in full duplex. So we should have duplex should be same, speed should be same, and VLAN should be same, whatever, and same switch port mode. If they are using as a trunk, then all should be in trunk. If they are using in axis mode like VLAN 20, if they are putting in axis mode, then that should be same. We discussed what is trunk mode, what is axis mode in our previous video. If you watch, you will have the idea about that one. Okay. So we need to remember, when we are doing the ether channel configuration, we need to have this same for all the switch, that is duplex, speed, and VLANs, as well as the switch port mode. Okay. Now we will see, if we want to configure PAgP, there are number of options we can choose. We have options. If you want to configure the PAgP also, you have option. From that you can select which one you want to configure. Same thing for other protocol, that is LACP, we have there also option. But now we are going to discuss for PAgP. Then we are going to look for LAGP. Okay. So if you see here, we have 4 options. One is on, one is desirable, one is auto, another is off. So if you take on, we need to do manually on the both side. In this interface, become member of EtherChannel but does not negotiate. What this mean? If you have 2 switch like this connected, and you have 4 links are connected to each other, we are making this 4 link as a one link. So what we are going to configure? If we configure on here, we need to configure on here also, both. Generally we are saying this manual also, manually configuring EtherChannel. Some guys are saying like this also, but anyhow, now remember we have 4 ports, 4 methods. With these 4 we can do. We have two protocols. First of all, we have two protocol. With that two protocol, we can make EtherChannel, that is PAgP, and another one LACP. But in PAgP, we have 4 port configuration. We can use any one and do that one. So when we use on, we need to configure both side as on. Then only they become in EtherChannel. If we keep one is on, one is other, then it will not work in EtherChannel. Another one, we have desirable. In this interface will actively ask the other interface to become an EtherChannel. So when we do desirable, if we use one end is desirable, other end if we use the auto, then also it will become as a EtherChannel. If we use one as auto, another is desirable, it also become as a EtherChannel. What here it is saying, if we configure one port as a desirable, the other port, if even though desirable or even though auto, it will become as a EtherChannel. But in other case, if we have auto in this interface, the passively wait for other side to be asked to become the EtherChannel. If we have auto, example, I configure here auto, okay, and here also auto mode. I will configure mode as a auto here. So this guy will wait till other guy say that become EtherChannel, I am going to become the EtherChannel. And same this guy is waiting, if the another guy tell me become EtherChannel, I will become EtherChannel. They will wait like this also. So that's why if we use both and auto, it will not become EtherChannel. We need to use auto one side, other side desirable, so they both become EtherChannel. Or maybe we need to use desirable both sides, so they can become desirable EtherChannel. Okay. Another one is off. If we use this one, no EtherChannel will found on the interface. So now we will see the configuration, how we are going to do the configuration. First, see, if I treat this as a 4 interface, this is also 4 interface. So I am doing the configuration for this switch one. So what I will do, first I will go in the global configuration mode. Then I will select int range. I will write interface range from whatever range, F0 by 1-4, because I want to select the port from F0 by 1, F0 by 2, F0 by 3 till F0 by 4, F0 by 3 and F0 by 4. So I am selecting this whole range and writing. This is the command we need to write. Channel under channel dash group. We can give any number. We have numbers from 1 to 6. I will show you in the packet tracer. So I will write 1, then mode. If we write mode and question mark, they will ask you. This is a 4 mode what I discussed with you just now. So it will give active enable LACP unconditional, because we are not doing LACP now, we are doing PAgP. So we will not look this one now. And where we have, this is also we will not look. This is on the one which we discussed. We can select this one, or maybe we can select this one, or we can select this one. So this 3 same thing what we discuss here, that only here we are getting the option if we put the question mark in the command. So what we discuss, desirable is good to keep both sides, so they will negotiate, they will become the EtherChannel. So what I will write, fresh command here is, I wrote again here, we will write channel dash group, then group number, mode desirable. Same thing we will go for this switch also, and we will go in the configuration mode like this and put int range, and then we will write same like this. Okay, anyhow I have configuration, I will show you also, no issue. And after that we can do in the packet tracer also. See, this is for switch 2. What I done, I went in the range in that interface and I wrote this one, same thing, and I wrote the desirable. Then these all are green, they both become as a green. So all ports are working, but this is logically working as one port. And if you want to see, you can see show EtherChannel, then you will have group number and working on which switch, L2 switch, and how many ports we aggregate 4 ports maximum. How many we can aggregate only 8 port. Like this detail we will get. And if you want to see more detail, we can write show EtherChannel summary. So we will have like this, and we can see the port is showing as a PO01. Before we have F0 by 1, F0 by 2, but now this become PO0 by 1, and this PO0 by 1 is having port F0 by 1, F0 by 2, F0 by 3, F0 by 4. Like this we can see. Okay, so no issue. Now we are going to configure here. Here is the packet tracer just now we taken. So what we can do, I will go inside this switch. Let me maximize here. Now you can observe here, this all are orange, this all are green. So STP is working. If you want to see, you can see here also STP. I will show you how we will check. Show spanning tree. First we need to go in the user mode. Now I am here. Now we can write show a spanning tree. When we press OK, it is showing here. These are the port. Now when we change, it become to single port. Okay. So how we need to do that one? First to do that one, we need to go in the global configuration mode. I will go in the global configuration mode. Then I will write interface range. From range F0 by 1 minus dash till 4, right? How we are saying 4 or 5? If you want to see, you can see physically, or I disable the port actually. Let me enable here. So you can see here like this we can enable. So port labels will come here. So how many ports we have, we can see here, starting from, actually I connected so many ports, so only one label is coming. If you see here backset, we have a label, or we can run the CDP protocol also to check that one. Anyhow, let me disable this port, else we will have the disable label of the port. So now we know that this is F0 by 1, F0 by 2, F0 by 3, F0 by 4. So let me open this one, this switch, and I went inside the port, right? I went inside the range. If you see, we are inside the range. After that, we need to write what we need to write. If you see this command, what we discussed here just now, this one, channel dash group, and then we can go give the group number. So I will do here. See what I am doing. I am writing channel dash, then group. After that, number, what number means, if you have doubt how many numbers we can give, then give a space and press question mark. So you will have the range. We can give the numbers from 1 to 6. Okay. Example, if you want to create EtherChannel in one switch, like different links are coming from different place, you can do bundles like link 1, link 2, link 3 till 6. So what I will do, I will write 1. After that, I don't know which mode, then I can press question mark. They will give, we need to write mode. So I will write mode, and then I will give a space and question mark. So here it is showing these are the modes available. We can select which one we need, as we discussed here just now here in one node. So what I am saying, we use the desirable, because this one make the force to other end of the port also to make come in the EtherChannel. So I will write desirable. Okay, and I press enter. So this port will go down and this will come up. Same configuration I can do there also. So what I will do, I will go to the other switch also. I will go in the CLI. I will after that, I will go in the enable. I will go in the config T. Then I will go into range. We need to write range, then F0 by 1 dash 4. So we will go in this one. Then we need to write channel, then dash, then group. After that, mode, group. What is the group number we give? We give 1. Then we need to write mode. We write mode, and then desirable. Okay, then I will press enter. So this also went there. Okay, so if you see here, this both become right because the configuration is going on. If you like, we can do this fast forward switch, so it will be loading very fast forward timer. In packet tracer we have this one, but in real life we need to wait till they become that one in the real scenario. But here, if you don't want to wait, then we can press this one, so it will be very fast. If you observe now, this all is having the green, no one is having the orange, so all are working. And if you want to check how you can check, let me show you. Show spanning tree. If you see here, before we have the port number F0 by 1, F0 by 2, F0 by 3, but now logical port, that is P0 by 1. Okay, so with this way we can make multiple switch in the one logical switch by using EtherChannel. Let me show you what command we will use. We will write show EtherChannel to check that one. Let's go in any one switch and write that command. Show EtherChannel. You will get the detail. What detail we are getting here? Let's see. When we wrote the show EtherChannel, here it is giving group. We use only one, right? And the L2 switch we use, and 4 ports we make as 1. Maximum we can do for 8 for this switch, right? And the port channel is 1, and this which protocol we are using PAgP. So we are getting the PAgP detail here. And if we want to check more detail, so we can write after that summary. So you will have more detail here, like PO01, this is the one port, and SU, inside S and U. So you can see S means layer 2 and U means in use. So it is working, that one. And which protocol we are running PAgP, and the PAgP, this port, logical port, is having physical this much ports. Okay, I hope you understand, right? So this way we can configure the PAgP. Same thing we need to do for LACP. LACP is similar as a PAgP. We have different option to choose the interface configuration. Here also we have on. If we put on, both sides we need to put, and off. If we put off, it will not form EtherChannel. These are the two. And this is active. Active interface will be actively ask the another side to become a EtherChannel. In PAgP we have desirable. Here in LACP we have active. Okay. And whereas passive interface will wait till another interface asks him to become the EtherChannel. So if we use passive, if we use one side active, other side passive, like this, they form the EtherChannel. If we use both side active, they form the EtherChannel. If we use one side passive, one side both side passive, then it will not become as a EtherChannel. Same thing as we discussed in PAgP. So now we are going to take more 4 switch and we are going to do that one. Okay, let me take the L3 switch. We can take any switch, no issue. Let me take this L3. I will take 2 switch here, and I will take the links. I will connect the 4 links or 5 links. 2 we have, 3. Okay, this is a 4 links. And what I can do, I want to go here. Let me go here and let me maximize so you can see also. If I want to check which interface or what, let me write no. Then I will go here, show IP interface brief, to check the interface. Okay, whatever interface is up, we can say that one. From here to here it is up, here to here, that is F0 by 1, F0 by 2, F0 by 3, F0 by 4. So we take this one in as a range. Same thing I will do, the one which I shown you, easy. What you will do, you will go in the configuration, then you will go interface range from F0 by 1 to 4. You will go there. Then after that, see the commands. What is the command different here? You will write same channel and the dash group 1. Then here you will write the, this one we are doing for, here you will write the mode, whatever mode you need, because you will write the active mode. Then it will go in the LACP. So let me copy the command. I think I wrote, or anyhow we will write here, no problem. But remember, this LACP protocol work on non-CISCO device. So if you have non-CISCO device, you can use this. But now I am doing in CISCO device also. It will work in CISCO device also. But PAgP will not work in non-CISCO device. Okay. So what we will write here, we are inside that one. After that we will write channel dash group, then 1, and then write mode. And if I press question mark, I can press question mark, or as we already discussed, I will write active. Okay, so this port go down and then become up. Same thing I will do. What I can do, I will write do show history to get the history, and I will copy the history. I will paste the same thing in the other switch. This is the shortcut we can do. Directly you can go to other switch and go in that one also you can do, but here whatever commands we run, we can copy like this and go in the switch here, this one in the CLI, and then what we can do here, we write no, then enable, then config T, then I can paste the steps. So we go in the interface range F0 by 1, that is 1 by E-4, and then I can put the comments. So just to save the time, no need to type, we can copy like this also. Your wish, if you want to type, you can type also. So it will take some time, then all will be green. If we don't want to wait, in real life we need to wait, but here we can press fast forward, so all become this one. Okay, now they all become green. So what we can do here, if you want to check, same thing you can write here, you can press Ctrl Z, you will be out, and then show spanning tree. Spanning tree is treating as a one link, that is F0 by 1. And if you want to see show EtherChannel, you will have the EtherChannel detail. What detail you are getting, let's see. From here, this group 1 we learn, and if we are running LACP, we are running LACP, and this is a 16. The maximum here for this switch, we can apply the EtherChannel to maximum 16 port, but we done for 4. If you saw this layer 2 switch, we can apply to only 8 ports. We can bundle the 8 port, but depending upon the switch feature, maximum we can have 16. When we take multi-layer switch, they are giving the option 16. We can bundle 16, and here they are showing L2 only because we did not enable the feature of L3 switch. As you know, the L3 switch is working as a router also. So when we put no switch port like this and IP routing, when we enable, it will change from L2 to L3. Okay. So now if we want to see the summary also, we can check the summary. It is showing we have the one switch, and the protocol which is running is LACP, and this is a physical ports is bundled to this one port, and S means here, see what is S, the layer 2, because this is layer 3 switch, but it is showing layer 2 because we did not enable the feature of layer 3. If you want to enable the feature of layer 3, we need to write IP routing. You remember in our previous video, we done already that one in the SVI video. If you have confusion, you can watch SVI. Okay. So like this we can do. So this is a basic lab for the LACP and PAgP. But before closing this video, let me revise. See here, EtherChannel is nothing but a tool with which we can make multiple physical interface into one logical interface. If we have a speed issue, if we have any issue, like we will connect 4 cables, 5 cables, we will think now I have 5 cables, so traffic will go with this 5 cable, but due to STP it will not go with the 5 cables. So what we will do, if we disable the STP, then we will have issue, we will have loop in the network. To avoid this type of situation, we need to put that 4 link into one logical link by using EtherChannel. So just remember, EtherChannel is a technology will help you to make multiple physical interface into single logical interface. Okay. So advantage is it will increase the bandwidth and provide the redundancy for the aggregation individual link of the switch. Okay. I hope you understand. This is a EtherChannel for layer 2 and layer 3 switch. It is present in our CISCO syllabus. So please practice and remember these points. In coming video, we will have the ACL, because still we did not done ACL, access control list. After that we will have NAT, network address translation. Actually ACL is not present in our CISCO syllabus, but if you don't know ACL, then you cannot do NAT also. To do the NAT, first you need to know the ACL. ACL is very important protocol. With the ACL you can allow or deny or select the traffic. If any traffic is going, you can select the traffic, or you can allow the traffic to go somewhere, or you can deny the traffic to go somewhere, or you can select the traffic. So we have the ACL to perform this operation. So in next video, we are going to discuss what is ACL, how we are going to apply ACL. After completing ACL, we are going to do NAT, network address translation. After that, we will go security port for switch, and whatever we need to do subnetting also. After that, we will start subnetting. and then we will start after that. I hope then we can start network automation. Okay. So thank you very much for seeing our video. Subscribe to our channel, like our video, and share with your friend who is interested in CCNA 200-301 series. Thank you. Bye.